Stop, come from foreign. I want to come from foreign. When I hide from the people and stop it. Because sometimes the people don't want nothing from me. Sometimes you have some girls satisfied with love. Sometimes they can't stop and embrace people. I don't want nothing from nobody. I have some girls out there that look good and them things there. But nobody not send nobody nowhere. A foreigner, everybody knows the people have to work hard. So if somebody come from foreign and give you a soul or a one soul to give thanks and love or no, because to the end of the day, foreign is easy as how it sounds. So when some people see some people and I from some people and I say no one, come to see a orifice, stop it. Okay, you can't come out and embrace people. Love is one of the powerfulest things on the face of earth. That's why I say anywhere in the world, Georgia, I'm a rate of Georgia Lindsay. Because you're a real girl. And if you don't see me, I'll put on something for me. Real people don't want nothing from you. Real people need love. Big up background in the way you do over the world. And that me I tell you, remember me want to tell you this. Remember, you have some girl never go to the airport yet. And when you come from foreign, you can't look like the girl. Stop it, man. Always and stop. I tell people say, when we go foreign, you know, can't forget you know. Yeah, we don't talk from the mouth. People talk from the heart. You know. Stop it, man. And them think them, man. Stop it, man. Yeah, stop it, man. Stop it, man. Remember where you come from, you never know where you go. Always remember that, man. Remember saying, no, the whole of where you come from, one place. Always remember that. And the next thing again, people me are telling us, because you have some girl too, make some girl all a part and a hide. Stop see some people come from foreign and a beg too. Because real people are not for beg them gear. So sometime in our life too, and when some people go to things you don't want to lick out on the people then, you cannot do that. Because sometimes people go through some real things in our life. While you sit down and not do nothing in our life. And stop bad mind people, elevate people and speak good over people's life. And you don't know where a man go to achieve what he have. You see me I say, and if you're a man of the worst of friend and you see him and go through in a life and having things, love him, see him where you because when your victory come, no man can't stop that. And that me I tell you now. Yeah, big up Versace. Big up Versace. Big up Versace. You see me I say, big up all youth. You see me I say, and I don't know. You see me I say, remember me tell you now, one, we are the best set of people. You see the child man never see no fight against one another. They come and fight against one another. They can't go. And we black people want to tear them one another. So stop tear them one another. And God no love ugly. You hear me I tell you, you don't know when tomorrow brings. You don't know when tomorrow brings. And that me I tell you, the worst set of people, the worst set of people are them always be the best set of people at the end. Always do that. Now all the people put me down. Remember me tell you that. But I don't want the people listening, but God no want to lift up me. Because I'm an underdog. I can't stop being an underdog. I love myself for who me is. You see me I say, and that me I tell you say. You see me? Easy man, easy. And I like that man. I want to stop put on people man. Yeah, I have some boy too, I notice with them. Them are there too fuck and change them the image. Them go like them the rate you. I want to you. I don't stop it. And that me I tell you. A real girl is like we. Because I see some girl with some false blood clot body and some blood clot breast. We're stiff some. And when I check it out, it falls, them come like some car. We put outside and them land a blood clot engine bad. Yeah. And that me I tell some blood clot boy. You have some boy them a fuck you and train have nothing, them boy like them no rate you. But from the start drive and you have some things them a run a fuck. And I ride them style like me for who me is. Because the best set of woman who want to put on some girl dance go-go. Because when them done with the road, them done the road for life. And some girl they got underrate some go-go when they have their man in a go-go from their man each up every night. Yeah. Yeah, that's why some things reach you in our life. I will put on people too much. Yeah, that me have to say. Wow. Let me have.
Probably you're the best. I love you. Versace, big up yourself, man. You don't know your sister today, you know. But my ends me and my blade, they go and sit down, look clear, you know. I remember all time. Sanja and they are man. You don't know Sanja good all day at church. You see me, just big up yourself, Versace. Big up Miss Eileen and everybody, my boss.
Versace, you're born blood clot, look, you never had that. From your dad Greenwich farm, you look blood clot. Versace, you're a boy, we're a winner. When I ask you that. Versace, you ever look good. I mean, no say, you don't go win the blood clot race. You come like bolt, you know, lose, no race.